Have you ever been confused about choosing a laser welding machine? Do you feel at a loss when faced with numerous choices? Today, let's uncover the mystery of laser welding and bring you the most suitable solution. Jewelry Gold Laser Spot Welding Machine. Model PW100 PW150. Desktop sprite designed specifically for gold and silver jewelry. Whether it's fine drilling or spot welding, it can be easily handled. PW200. Floor type, stable and efficient. The welding of gold and silver jewelry has become more convenient since then. Mold Laser Welding Machine PW300M. A good helper in mold repairing welding and a capable assistant in industries such as digital, mobile phones, and toys. Adjustable power to meet your various needs. Handheld Laser Welding Machines. PW1000G, 1500G, 2000G, convenient to hold and flexible to operate. Both metal advertising letters and large sheet metal structures can be easily welded, and repairing molds to work with auto wire feeder. Crane Arm Laser Welding Machine PW600D. Specially designed for repairing welding large molds, it is an essential tool in industries such as tires, ships, and large household appliances. Can weld various materials to make mold repair simple and efficient. Single, half laser welding machine PW600-2. The preferred choice for the advertising industry, LED luminous characters, small big metal advertising signs, etc. can be perfectly soldered. If you are interested in our video, please give us a thumbs up. And welcome to bookmark our video. If you are interested in these laser welding machines or want to learn more information, please contact us immediately. Perfect Laser, your trusted partner. Let's work together to create a better future.